what's the worst experience you've had in that business? Because I mean, YouTube is one of those platforms, much like TikTok, much like Instagram, that it could make you overnight, but
Yeah.
obviously at the same time, it could break you if everything is against you. So
Well,
being in that
the,
environment, what's the worst case scenario you ever experienced?
I mean, the owners of this channel,
Mhm.
they are very, very committed to this project. I couldn't say that we've had like a bad experience of any kind,
Mhm.
uh, because they cater this content so much to our consumers. But in retrospective, working with I work right now working with around 18 to 20 channels in different aspects, like either directing or filming or just coaching or consulting. But one of the things that I see is a huge setback is when you start something that you don't believe in. Is
Mhm.
when you go into that not believing in yourself, because it's very different to what Chris Krimitsos says, like start ugly. Yeah, you
Mhm.
can start ugly when you don't have like all the tools or all the knowledge and all that, but you have believe in yourself. I
Mhm.
mean, you know you're gonna get there. You just don't know how, but you're gonna get there. It's very different to just get there thinking other thoughts like, okay, so I want to make money fast. Okay, so this is not for you. And I've seen quite amount of people that has that idea, and as fast as they come, as fast as they go.